So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an AI art or image generator. So let's get right into the video. So first we need to go to Google and search clipdrop.co and you'll see a web page like this, and go to tools in it and click stable diffusion XL and enter your prompt now. It can be anything. So I'm going to type Pikachu. Yeah. Now I'm going to select the style of the image. Fantasy art. Yeah. It will take some time to generate, so you have to wait. So let's go to the normal stable diffusion and type the same prompt. It's not good in normal stable diffusion. Yeah. So let's wait for the results in ClipDrop. It's taking time because I'm using it free. Okay, let's type Pikachu fantasy art. Now let's see what are the results. This is not good. Okay, let's type style. Now let's see. The first one is pretty actually good. Now in the clip drop, see, everything is awesome. The first image is awesome. See, it has high quality image compared to normal stable diffusion. So we can change down it to anime style. Now let's see. Okay, we can try this in normal stable diffusion also. Okay, I will try. Pikachu anime, yeah, style. It's processing. No, it's not good compared to ClipDrop. So let's wait for the image to generate in ClipDrop. Let's just type Pikachu anime. Now let's see the results in stable diffusion. Not good. Wow. In ClipDrop, see, it's awesome. And the second image is like Ash and Pikachu combined. Wow, awesome. And Pikachu is wearing Ash's hat in the second image. So thanks for watching guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.